Notre Dame. Shoulders are showing. So we're gonna see if we can buy a scarf and then get back in line. We are learning, and we are just Americans.
And we are sorry.
So now we bought a scarf. We bought a scarf.
Yep, we bought one.
And so now we're gonna see if this works. We're going back. Okay, we're at church, bro.
People are bringing sweaters, so for next time, bring a sweater.
So that was a beautiful experience, I think. They were having mass at the time, which felt a little strange, like doing sightseeing.
It was weird to like be taking pictures and stuff while they were having mass.
But it was absolutely gorgeous in there and a very special experience, I think. So, and I was very surprised to find out that it cost nothing. So we paid for our entry fee by buying a scarf, and I bought a souvenir as well. So
you had to pay to go into the treasury, so we chose not to go into the treasury. But just from like the glimpse through the door, it was very gold.
They look very beautiful, yes.
It was very gold.
So thank you, Notre Dame.
Yeah.